Hi, I'm Mike, and I'll be your service technician for this series. Today I'll be showing you how to properly load and unload your maintenance cartridge. First, you start with opening the side panel. With your printer open, grab your maintenance cartridge. Your maintenance cartridge takes all excess ink after doing proper printer maintenance. Take your connectors towards your printer, insert, close your printer. To unload your maintenance cartridge, open the side of your printer. Go ahead and pull up and out and close your printer. If you follow these steps, you have successfully loaded and unloaded your maintenance cartridge. Hi, I'm Mike, and I'll be your service technician for this series. Today I'll be showing you how to properly load and unload your inks. First, you start with opening the front. Included with this printer are 4 inks: black, cyan, magenta, yellow. With your printer open, start by taking off the tabs that hold the inks. They're color coordinated black, cyan, magenta, yellow, coordinated with each ink. Take your ink, arrow facing towards your printer, go ahead and insert. With your inks inserted, close the blue lever. Make sure it clicks. Close your printer. You have successfully loaded your inks. To unload your inks, start with opening your printer. Pull the blue tabs down. Your ink should slide out. You have successfully unloaded your ink. If you follow these steps, you have successfully loaded and unloaded your inks. Hi, I'm Mike, and I'll be your service technician for this series. Today I'll be showing you how to properly load and unload your printer. First, you start with opening your printer. So starting with your printer open, everything green moves. You got your label release, print head release, label roller, label guide. So start with taking out the label holder. Press the blue tab and release. Go ahead and slide your labels onto the black. Take your blue, connect it back onto your labels with the arrows lining up. Set your labels down. Go ahead and release the rollers and the label guide. With your printer on, go ahead and feed your labels and it should grab it. Go ahead and put the label guide to where it's snug and put your rollers down. Go ahead and close the printer and it should auto calibrate. You have successfully loaded your printer. To unload your printer, start by opening the side. Disengage the print head, label wheels, and your label guide. Press the lever release and roll your labels. Go ahead and take off your label. Click the blue release and disengage. Take your labels off. Re-engage. Place it down. Close your print head and all the latches. Close your printer. You have successfully unloaded your printer. If you follow these steps, you have successfully loaded and unloaded your labels. Hi, I'm Mike, and I'll be your service technician for this series. Today I'll be showing you proper printer settings. First, you start by going to your computer. Start by typing in the bottom left hand of your screen, printers and scanners. Select your printer. Manage. Printing preferences. Select paper size and select the first one. Custom paper size. From here, name your label accordingly. You can work with millimeters or inches. Millimeters will be more fine. Select your width and length. We are using 3x1 labels. From here, you go to paper form and it's selected on label gap. You can do label gap edge to edge, label marker, which means black mark on the back side of your liner, label marker edge to edge. If you have a custom shape, label marker custom shape. From here, go down to gap mark length, change it to 0.12. Top, bottom, left, and right margins all at 0.06. Gap left, gap right, 0.08 to 0.1. Register. Yes. Your label is now registered in the driver. Okay. Go to color. Select your input resolution from 600 dpi to 1200. Apply. and OK. You have successfully created a custom label. If you follow these steps, you now know proper printer settings.